What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be making a quick video on how to remove a gas tank on a hard body. This will work for, I believe, 720s too. I'm not too sure, but I figured I'd make a video because I was looking online and I couldn't find anything, and it's easier for me to do this than someone who has a bed and is kind of scared to work on their truck. So this is a lot easier for me to see what's going on, and what I believe is going on is there is three 17mm bolts right here, and there's two under the truck, and then there's like a heat shield right here that I already removed that has two 17s on there. So I'm gonna quickly try that and make sure that that's what's going on. So once you remove this little dust shield, heat shield, then you look under here and there is three 17mm bolts, and what it looks like is the gas tank is on top of the little ledge. So on the back it's the opposite, so you might have to pull it down from the back and then slide it back, and then it'll come out. Now that I got the three under the bed, there's three right here. You can see them right there. Those are the little nuts that are welded to the bracket, and then the bolts come in from the bottom. I also forgot to mention, but you're gonna want to remove your filler neck. I believe it's three bolts on here, and then you could push that in, and it should be loose like this. And then from here, there should be these right here, which are the soft lines to the fuel pump. And then there's hard lines, so you could either remove them here or remove them up here. Your harness is really easy. You unplug it right here, and then after that you just make sure it doesn't get caught on anything, and you just slowly drop it. Some WD-40 or any penetrating oil would be pretty useful in this case. You're just gonna want to put a little bit because the bolts are rusty. So one thing I would recommend is before you unbolt the gas tank, take these off, because now as you can see the whole gas tank is loose. So obviously it's doable, but it's a little bit harder. In order to take this out, you have to let this head go down a little bit and then slide it out. You can't go and push it this way as soon as you unbolt it, because it's going to hit that. And then another thing, I would highly recommend either you have it somewhat empty or completely empty, and if not, then grab a jack like I did. It makes it so much easier than trying to pull it out with your hands and grab it. Even this, it's pretty heavy, and it has like almost no gas in it, because I knew I was going to do this eventually, so I didn't really have any gas in there, and it was still somewhat heavy. So that's just kind of pointers on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.